everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. All right, today we are going to be doing the April unboxing of Boxycharm. Yeah, I don't want to make the video too long, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And here we go. I've already cut this seal, so let's go. All right, and this month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. And of course, the back always tells you everything that's in the box and how much it retails for. Here we go. All right, first thing we have is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, Loose Powder Highlight. And this is in the color Purple Dream. I love Artist Couture highlights. I got a couple in my drawer already. Yes. Owned by Mac Daddy. Love watching his videos. He is such a pretty man. Pretty man. And yeah, it looks like this. It is called purple, but you know, obviously it doesn't look purple, but I can't wait to try that. I love, love, love loose highlight. Okay. Well, I already got a little bronzy little glow on right now, but let me get my little brush here. This is the Luxie brush. Let's see what we can do with this. Dip it up in here. Look at that. That's pretty. Pretty. I'm going to put some on my nose. Let's see what we can do here. Give it a little shine there. I don't want to put no more here. But let me see. Oh yeah, you can see that purple. Look at that. You can definitely see that purple. Yup. Yes, indeedy. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Yeah, you can see that purple. All right, next thing I see here is the, what is that? Battington lashes. Looks like this. Battington lashes. I don't see a name on here, but they are Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. And whoa, and this is it. And I believe you, yeah, just flip it up here to reveal the lashes. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. These look more on the natural side, more natural side than what I like. But I do wear natural. Like today, I wore the natural because I wanted to show the eyeliner off. I was reviewing an eyeliner. And yeah. But yeah, these are very nice. Pretty. And these, let's see. Battington lashes, Monroe Silk Lashes, $28. Oh, brushes, you know. Oh, and they're Luxie, 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 Luxie. Luxie has some of the best brushes, and I always get mine in the Boxycharm because they always have Luxie brushes. This is a 3-pack, a 209 large shader, 245 small shader, and a 512 small contouring. Very nice. You can see these like this. Brushes, the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set, $28. Like this. Love Luxie brushes. Nice and soft as always. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Love, love, love. Oh, I didn't even see the bottom design. Look, it's like a ombre effect. The pink with the little, look at that. Next thing is this Power Up Mascara by Butter. You know, I don't want to open up the mascara because, you know, as soon as you open it, it starts to get air in it. So I don't want to open it yet because I'm not going to be using it just yet. And that mascara is Butter London Power Up Mascara, $20. And then the last thing in the box is this Pure Festival 12 Pressed Pigment Palette. This is the box. Nice big mirror. Oh, you can see that purple highlighter on my nose. That's cute. I like that highlighter. Alrighty, and here's the palette. Very nice. Oh, look at those colors. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. Nice, nice, nice. These two pressed glitters. And then you got the shimmers here. Mattes. Beautiful. This is pretty. Definitely festival. Definitely. And it also has Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer sample in the box by Pure, of course, too. Very nice. And this palette is $36. Okay, and that's everything that's in the box this month for the April Boxycharm. I do like everything that's in the box. All right, and don't forget I do have a giveaway for my 200 for hitting the 200 subscriber mark, and I will go ahead and list that in the cards. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me on YouTube, comment on the video with the giveaway, which is the get to know me tag, and yeah, you'll be entered. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Like the video and comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Bye.